In this video, I will show you how to count cells that contain positive numbers in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here, in this Excel sheet, I have some numbers. Some of the numbers are positive, while others are negative numbers. Now, what I want to do is to count only positive numbers from this list. We cannot use the count function to count the cells because it returns the count of both positive and negative numbers like this. To count only positive numbers, I am going to use the COUNTIF function. The COUNTIF function counts the number of cells that meet the specified criteria. The first argument is the range of the cells and the second argument is the criteria. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type COUNTIF and then an opening bracket. Select the range of the cells as the first argument. Enter a comma to enter the second argument, that is the criteria. Since we want to count cells that contain positive numbers only, I am going to specify greater than 0 in the double quotes. Now type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the count of cells containing positive numbers only. If you want to include the cells containing 0 in the count, edit the criteria argument and make it greater than or equal to 0 like this. If any of the cells in the provided range is blank, empty or contains text, it is excluded from the count, as we can see from this example. We can also use the SUMPRODUCT function instead of the COUNTIF function to count the cells containing positive numbers only. Here is the formula to do that. Here, B3 to B6 greater than 0 part returns an array of 4 elements containing true, false, true and false. If the cell is greater than 0, the true value is returned. Otherwise, false value is returned. For the SUMPRODUCT function to work, we need to convert true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. We did that by applying the double negative minus minus. After the double negative operation, our formula will look like is equal to SUMPRODUCT containing an array of 1, 0, 1 and 0. And the result of that formula is 2. Watch this video to learn how to count cells that contain numbers in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.